everyone, welcome to the Business Safari. I'm Bella, and today we're exploring debits and credits. These two terms are fundamental in accounting, but they can be a bit confusing at first. Don't worry though, we'll break it down together. First, let's clear up something important. Debit doesn't always mean a decrease, and credit doesn't always mean an increase. It actually depends on the type of account we're dealing with. Interesting, right? Let's start with a basic rule that'll help you understand this better. Look at this T account. In accounting, debits always go on the left side, and credits always go on the right. It's that simple. Different types of accounts react differently to debits and credits. Here's how it works. For assets and expenses, debits increase the balance. For liabilities, equity, and revenue, credits increase the balance. Let's use a simple example to see how this works. Imagine you're running a small business. You buy $100 worth of inventory with cash. Here's what happens. We debit inventory for $100 because we're increasing an asset. We credit cash for $100 because we're decreasing another asset. Both are assets, but one increases while the other decreases. Now, let's say you sell some of that inventory for $150. Here's what we do. Debit cash for $150 because we're increasing our cash. Credit revenue for $150 because we've earned income. In this case, we're increasing an asset and recording revenue. There would also be another entry for the debit and credit of the inventory, but we will cover that in a later topic. Here's an important point to remember. For every transaction, the debits must equal the credits. This keeps everything in balance. Understanding debits and credits is crucial for accurate bookkeeping and financial reporting. Summarize what we've learned today about debits and credits. Debits are on the left, credits on the right. Their effect depends on the type of account. Assets and expenses increase with debits. Liabilities, equity, and revenue increase with credits. Every transaction must have equal debits and credits. And this system is to ensure financial records stay balanced and accurate. That wraps up our introduction to debits and credits on today's Business Safari. I'm Bella, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful business videos.